Space. A wondrous realm where heroes are forged. A place of peril and adventure and... I can't do this.
Okay, cut!
Sure you can, Quark. Just sound out the big words, like you practiced.
It's not that. Look! Our first feature film! And there's nothing here. Where's the eye-popping 3D? The CG explosion? Where's the dubstep?
Apologies, Captain. Everyone is out making the Ratchet and Clank movie.
And they can't spend a few more hours getting us a bit of pizzazz? How lazy are they?
Whoa, hold on. You don't want to anger such a talented team of animators.
Oh, please. What'll they do? Stop animating? Don't look!
Quark, there are kids here.
Oh, real mature guys. Oh! Oh! Oh, fist pumping! Now you've crossed the line!
That is funny.
Oh, really? Get my back!
Perhaps you should just apologize.
Fine! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Sheesh. Oh, that's more like it. Now, how about one of those epic logos? That's the stuff. See, when two adversaries set aside their petty squabbles, they can... I'm calling my agent.
Never mess with the animators.